If I should stay, I will only be in your way. So I'll go, but I will know. I only think of you every step of the way. And I will always love you. Will always love you. My darling, you, bittersweet memories. These are my talking with me. So goodbye, please don't cry. We both know one know what you need, and I will always love you. I will always love and I hope life brings you come, and I hope you have your dream, and I wish you joy and happiness. But above always, I wish you love. Grazie.
Roberta Piscopo torna a trovarci con questa bellissima voce, allora dedicata anche alla nostra Whitney Houston, che adesso non c'è, però sicuramente ci sentirà da lassù e dirà: guardami le voci, che voci.
Grazie mille. Buonasera, grazie.